for the best sounding Corvette C8 exhaust in the world? Well, you've come to the right video. Welcome back to Valvetronic Designs. Now listen, Corsa, Magnaflow, MBRP, Borla, all those companies, they make some nice stuff, but it's nothing like the Valvetronic Design setup. Behind me, our Valve Sport exhaust system in full titanium, plus a set of race free flow bypass pipes to crank up the volume, the high-pitched exotic sound, and to give this C8 the best sound in the world. Listen, there's a lot of systems out there. There's a lot of companies that make exhaust, but there is nothing quite like this. Integrates into your OEM valves, no check engine lights, no issues. Using the factory valve hardware out to the sides, you do not have your AFM, your active fuel management. That stuff is deleted. It's bad for performance. We get rid of it, but we reuse the OEM valve so you can use the Z mode in the car. This thing goes from mild to wild like you've never experienced a C8 before. Again, if you want the best experience, Valvetronic is the only way. Superior materials, engineered and designed in-house here in Boyertown, Pennsylvania. If you want the best sound, this is it. In this video, we're gonna show why this is the best exhaust configuration in the world. If you think anything is better, put it in the comments below, but I don't think anybody else can keep up. Startup, revs, flybys, launch control, hard accelerations. We're gonna put a GoPro on the rear bumper, and of course, we're gonna put the top down so you guys can hear exactly what this thing sounds like on the inside when you're cruising down your favorite back road with the best exhaust setup. I'm hyped, let's get to it. That's how we do it. Ready? right, guys, we're inside the C8 right now. You can tell by my face. I am stoked for this exhaust setup. Here's the thing. The free flow configuration, you could put this free flow race setup on, you could put a set of sport cats on the car, but it's not gonna sound like this. Listen, it sounds like it's bone stock in here. I can whisper. This is a straight piped, full titanium exhaust on the C8. There's no restriction. From the block out to the exhaust tips, no restriction. And we can close the valves and have it be this quiet. I don't know how other companies are gonna keep up with this, because this truly is the best experience for this car. We had huge, huge success with the Z06 models. With that flat plane crank, we at Valvetronic, we cranked it up. And we're doing the same to the traditional C8. This thing is amped. No other system comes close, not even close. Listen, we're gonna put the rear window down. Sounds like it's bone stock. I click one push of the Z button, big sound change out back. We're still letting the car warm up, so we're gonna keep the RPMs low. Oh. I know that we're not known a lot in the Corvette community. There's Corsa, Borla, everyone goes with those systems and they've owned the market. But we feel that this is gonna take the game on, and those companies can't come close to this setup. The reason why is because we've done our in-house engineering, developed the muffler casings to be idealized. When those valves are closed, this is the perfect exhaust setup, whether you're gonna run it with sport cats, a free flow race setup, or with the stock downpipes. Crank up the sound, crank up the engagement, but have no compromise. This is the only way to do it. So quiet, it's so nice until you click the button. Ah. Wow, I got some Z06 sound.
I was just about to say that, bro.
That almost sounded flat plane crank like. Man, it's so exotic. Oh, I'm so happy. All right, we got the top down. We're gonna roll the windows up, and we've got our rear window up. So all you're getting behind us is raw sound. It's a little rainy, so we apologize. But it's not souring our mood at all. This thing sounds so good.